Splash. I like using Victoria's Secret body mist on my skin. It sounds really good. So you can buy Victoria's Secret items online or from their outlets in Amsterdam, Rotterdam, and in other cities in the Netherlands. Guys, I really like to scent good. So this is a ritual of doing relaxing body scrub. So I use the shower gel from Rituals, the shower foam, which I'm going to share with you, and this body scrub for washing my body. Good morning, arise and shine. This is the item I used after washing myself today. I like it. It's from the brand Victoria's Secret. It's written fragrance lotion. It's very, very good and soothing. Highly recommended. So Black Knife Funding is all about trying to promote education, encourage photo models and persons that are interested in beauty, fashion, automobile related topic, how to groom themselves, where to make the shop for items, and of course tutorials, website design, digital marketing. So if you wish to support Black Noir, that's me, you can donate to Black Noir Funding. So any amount is welcome. €1, 5 cents, €10, €1, 20 naira, 50 naira, 1,000 naira, 1 million naira, 1 million euros is highly welcome. Just to wear nice hair, makeup, do the chit chat videos, eat. So that's why I decided to become very flexible. Actually, people say it's higher than the fees are listed on my website, like web design gigs and promotional gigs is higher. But if you do wish to actually pay more or pay less, is fine. You can offer me enlisting goods and services on accommodation.com/fashion or accommodation.com/beauty is usually €30 per month. Some persons say it's €50 worth, or €100 worth, €70 worth. But if you wish to offer 50 cents, for instance, it's fine. So this is the end of this video. Do kindly give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel. Do check out my website, design gigs, on accommodation.com. Below these videos on the top. Guys, this is the finished result of this makeup look. It's very simple, tidy, down to earth. So I'm going to continue talking about web design and real estate. I enjoy promoting real estate companies because it's a fun topic, especially for male viewers. I also like promoting automobiles and talking about automobiles on this channel. So on my website, accommodation.com/management, I enlisted some top-notch real estate companies, especially for my viewers, my fans, followings, from all my social media accounts. If you wish to rent a home or buy a home, you can actually use the services of these companies. And if you wish to advertise with me and you want to donate, because I have this page I created on Facebook and promoting Black Knife Funding, and I also was a member of a charity organization, so I have experience. I'm just going to add a little bit of this purple shade here just to create some kind of pretty eyes lotion. This is my finished result of my makeup. Just to make my face look more pretty, I'm just going to add some touch work here and there. I've just applied eyeliner, mascara. So I'm just going to add like golden shade here on the tear dots. I'm also going to add like purple shade above my eyebrows. So on the top page of my website, accommodation.com/management, I'm promoting some real estate company, fashion shop, beauty shop. If you wish to support me or if you wish to advertise with me, you are highly welcome to do so. Any amount is welcome, 1 cent, 10 cents. Any amount you do have and you wish to support me, you are highly welcome to do so. The same applies for companies I've already added on the top page and sub pages of blackman.me, myfabulousbeauties.com, blackman.me/Nigerian Delight, blackman.me/Touch Delight. So there is an ongoing promo. If you wish to advertise on the top page of akinepatients.com/Amazon/Apple, Gucci, Prada, akinepatients.com/Zara, if you wish to be on the top page. If you go on akinepatients.com/web design, you will find out more about my web design gigs. I have created several websites and I enlist goods and services there as well. Speaking of America, on the top page of accommodation.com, I'm promoting some top-notch hotels in the United States of America. So I've enlisted some cool hotels, some Marriott hotels. The AC Marriott Hotel in Ohio. You have you also have Marriott Hotel in Houston, Texas. You have Hyatt Hotel. You have Hilton Hotel in New York. So I've done these listings to encourage my followings via Pinterest, via Twitter, via TikTok. Some of the time I talk about sometimes I talk about myself on TikTok, and you guys tend to research and find my website and subsequently read about me and listen to my videos. Okay, so yeah, you guys should check these brands out and do purchase. So I'm going to continue with this feature related to goods and services I have used and experienced, and goods and services I do recommend. So I'm going to continue with British Delight. So many persons in Britain knows about Total Energies, knows about British Airways. Most of you has flown with British Airways. Most of you has flown with Aer Lingus, and most of you already know, the supermarket called Tesco. So Tesco is a very famous supermarket in the United Kingdom. You have Tesco in Scotland, and you also have Tesco in Britain, in London, Kent, Liverpool, Manchester, and so many other cities. Okay, so you also have Nero Cafe, which is an eatery, which is an eatery in the United Kingdom. You have Nando's, already mentioned. There's so many eateries. You have Starbucks, you have Pret a Manger, you also have McDonald's and Burger King. So these are multinational companies that have just mentioned a few goods and services persons in Britain likes to use, and persons in Britain have experienced, and I have experienced. So how come I have experienced some of these goods and services? You may be wondering, I had the ample opportunity to have done my masters in Dundee, Scotland. So while I was studying, I was able to experience some of these goods and services. of these shops in the United States of America. You have shops such as, you have Chanel shop, you have CVS pharmacy shop. If you do wish to wear high-end shoes, you may want to shop from Houston, Galleria, Houston, Texas. At the Galleria, Houston, Texas, you may be able to shop for, high-end products and fashionable wears. So yeah, I've been to the Galleria, Houston, Texas. I really like it, and I encourage you guys to shop from there. If you do like jewelries, you may be able to shop from Pandora at the Galleria, Houston, Texas. Not far away from the Greyhound bus station in Houston, Texas.